The only item that is required to do this process is any face peel of your choice. You can use any face peel. I am using the Beardo face peel. First of all, take it on your hand and let it dry for 1 minute. After that, rub it on your hand to make a mixture like this. The process of cleaning is quite simple. Take the mixture and press it onto your speaker grill so that all the dust in your speaker grill gets attached to the mixture. That's it. It's a very quite simple process. You can use your Android device or iPhone or any smartphone of your choice. This process works. So guys, that's all about the video. If you guys like this video, please make sure you hit that subscribe button and click on the bell icon to watch more videos like this. Techie Mania signing off.